Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is for Palo Alto theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist of videos so you can explore different themes, and if you still don't find, then you can message me. I can create a new video for you. So on my collection page you can see that this is my Shopify store collection page, and here I have only two products, and in each product I have multiple colors. Let's say I am clicking on this product and you can see that we have multiple colors, but only single color is displaying on my collection page. So how I can display all the color variants as an individual product on my collection page? So I will be showing you step by step. So first of all, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Palo Alto theme. This is 9.1.0 version. If you have any older version or any new version, then still this code will work. So first of all, you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of it. Once you have the backup, then again click on these three dots and click on edit code. Once you edit the code, then you can actually see here that we will be having some folders and files. And in these folder files you can see that we have multiple folders. So basically we are going to follow a documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download it. Once you are downloading it, you will be getting all these four files, and you should open document.txt. so inside of it I have already given all the steps which are important for this specific feature. So the first step is that create a new snippet, color-variant.liquid. So let me show you. You can copy this complete name from here, go back, and here you should click on snippets and click on this plus icon, and then paste that color-variant.liquid and press enter key. Again go back to the documentation. We have to create another new snippet, color-product-grid.liquid. so then copy this complete name and then go back here, click on this new plus new icon and paste that name which is under snippets, and then press enter key. So we have basically created two empty files, and inside of both of these files I'm going to paste the code which I have already attached. So here we have color-variant.txt. so you should copy this code from here, and then after you should go back and paste it inside of color-variant.liquid and save the changes. Once you saved, then you can actually close this file and go back and copy the code from color-product-grid.txt. so just open this file, copy the code, and then go back, and here you should paste it inside of color-product-grid.liquid. Once you copied and pasted, then you should save the changes and then close this file also. And we have the last step, which is the third step. Go to sections, open collection.liquid. so let me copy the name from here, go back, and here in the search you should paste it, and here you can see that we have collection.liquid. so just open that file, and inside of this file we have to scroll a little bit down, and you will find out that we have something similar. Wait a minute, let me copy this product-grid-item. let me copy it, and you should search it here. So once you are searching it, on the first search you can see we have product-grid-item. so instead of this you can actually paste color-variant. so let me copy it, and then here we have to delete, and then paste the color-variant. so make sure that it is under if collection statement. All right, once you update it, then you should save the changes, and that's it. That was the thing which we had to do. And let me refresh this page. This is actually the collection page. So for all the collection pages you will find out that everything will be implemented. So here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displayed as an individual product on this collection page. Can you see? For example, I am coming back to this product, so you can see that we have multiple colors right here, and all those colors are displaying on this collection page. So in the same way, if you have not color name of the variant, not color any other name, then still you can implement this feature and separate those products on the basis of that specific variant name. Let's say I'm going back to any other collection page. So let's say this one. So you can see that we have all the colors displayed on this collection page also, and you can also see the next image is also properly displaying. All right, And in the same way, if I'm going back to any other collection for testing purpose, so here you can see that we have all those colors displayed right here. So that's how you can actually implement this same feature into your Shopify store. If you're facing any issues, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. And if you have any new feature to create in your Shopify store, or maybe any additional thing to add, so definitely you can ask me below in the comment section, or maybe I have already given the contact details in the description, so you can directly message me. So I will be happy to help you out in that. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.